Chapter 4, Operations on Sets, 4.2, Unions of Sets. Okay, so in this lesson you are going to learn how to do the union of sets. Okay, so first, what is union of sets? Okay, it is represented by this symbol like a U. Okay, so set P union set Q. Okay, which means it is the union of set P and set Q. So what is union? Union means that it contains all the elements of set P and also set Q. So for example, this is set P, it contains 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This is set Q, it contains 14, 15, 16 and 17. And in previous lesson you learned that 14 and 15 are the intersection. Okay, so how about union? Union means all elements, so you need to list everything inside. Everything inside are the union. Okay, so set P is this, set Q like this, and then P and Q, PUQ is this, all, and then PUQ you need to list all, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You don't need to list this twice. Okay, just once is enough. Okay, so how to determine the union of sets? So now we are shading the unions of sets. Okay, so first is the PUQ. Okay, PUQ. Like just now, everything inside P and everything inside Q, including the intersection part. Okay. What about we have three sets here and we are shading PUQ. Okay, everything, all elements of P and also Q. So the same thing, we shade everything inside P and Q. Okay. Okay, and then P union Q union R means everything inside, right? Okay. Okay, and then PUQ. PUQ and then complement mean other than PUQ. PUQ is this part, right? And everything other than this part you need to shade. Okay. Everything other than okay. And then PUQUR complement. Okay, PUQUR is this part, and then complement, so it's outside. And that's it for the lesson of today on how to find the union of sets. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And thanks for watching.